Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Candy from HJL Auto Parts Taiwan. In today's video, I'm going to talk about what caused the Ford 5.4 Camshaft's value and how to maintain them to longer their lifetime. We know the solid top Ford trucks overwhelm his fans. This Ford 4.0 SOHC as well as 5.4 3V engines are widely utilized to his truck collection. Many car lovers enjoy its beast driving and strong rough style appearance. However, his engines are well known with the dread rattle faster problems. So whenever we are talking about a Ford 4.0 timing chain replacement, a failed Camshaft VVT will come across experienced mechanics' minds immediately. So if you have a Ford 4.0, 5.4, or even the 6.8 engine truck for SUV from 2004 to 2010, you must keep on watching. When your car is suddenly knocking or ticking and running like poo, you probably need to check the oil pump and timing system. Thing is, this engine's oil pump is a bit weak, which tends to fail to deliver the proper oil pressure to the top of the engine. Also, the timing chain tensioners are flow designed, which just like its oil pump, tends to lose the oil pressure. Without the proper pressure, the VVT camshafts fail early and lose function to lock the cam with its pin and spring. Once the adjustable camshaft gets the dread rattle, the timing chain will get the extra stress, which will cause the guides damage. The extra stress timing chain may slap around the guides and even break the guides. So, never neglect any timing symptoms you feel. Once again, the earlier you figure out the problem, the easier you can fix the issue. Alright, before we jump into the maintenance tips, I want to quick recap the benefits of these adjustable camshafts and the main reasons to cause the Ford 4.0 VVT gear problems. So, the number one benefit, fuel efficiency. Number two, emissions reduce. Number three, optimum engine performance. Adding the variable valve timing (VVT) to the valve train is one of the most remarkable innovation design in the automaker industry. Now the automakers can squeeze more horsepower and torque with this VVT design. They can improve the vehicle without compromising between fuel economy, emission, and performance. With the variable valve timing, so-called the VVT camshaft gear design, now the car computer can control the valve overlapping time with these VVT gears. The cam-facing VVT coordinates with the valve overlapping duration and time on the go to optimize the engine performance. It allows valve timing and the camshaft to change along with the engine speed so the engine can generate more power at high speed, and this also betters the fuel economy at the same time. Meanwhile, the exhaust valve timing helps to create exhausted gas recirculation effect. This effect also helps to eliminate the need for the EGR valves on many engines. Next, let's see what caused camshaft for 5.4 Ford failed. Reason number one is the oil pressure is too low. The low oil pressure can't deliver proper power to the camshafts at precise timing. It could be the failed oil pump or the dirty oil that leads to this problem. Number two reason is the oil viscosity. The clear oil can make sure the viscosity for the oil to generate the proper oil pressure. Any debris or starch will influence the oil flow and the pressure. Right oil is crucial for friction reduction and efficient function as the engine works at very high temperature. Periodically oil changing is the best way to maintain the VVT gear function with proper pressure. Reason number 3 is gear worn out or damaged, and it's time to replace your timing chain kit along with the cam fasteners. Number 4, electric control unit problems. Sometimes the CVVT itself is not the failure cause. Any tiny failures like the liner solenoid will lead to ECU failures. Once the computer loses control of these cam fasteners, the bad CVVT symptoms appear. Likewise, the failed VVT solenoids are also the common reason to cause the VVT gear malfunction. Obviously, the oil pressure is the key to guarantee the cam fasteners work smoothly. The proper oil pressure for VVT cam fasteners on most engines is around 10 to 15 psi at idle. When the failure symptom occurs, check the oil pump for its pressure. Check if the oil pressure is enough for the valve lifters and crankshaft bearings. Meanwhile, remember to maintain your car with the following tips. Number 1, pay attention on your engine oil. The quality oil is crucial to your sensitive components like VVT gears clean and function well. Refer to your car user manual for the proper oil you should add into the engine and remember to change it periodically. Needless to say, the regular engine oil replacement will benefit not only the VVT gears, the engine, the turbocharger, and etc. Number 2, keep your engine clean. The air filter can keep dust, dirt, and pollution out of engine. Over time, the filter may get clogged with dust and need to be replaced. Our cars need a constant flow of clean air to get into the engine to keep it running. So whenever you change the oil, take the chance to check the air filter to make sure it is clean. Replace it periodically also can keep our engine running smoothly and prevent the related problems. Another small tip here, and that is to clean off the bugs and road debris from your front bumper. This also helps to longer your air filter's lifetime. Number 3, change the fuel filter. Same reason, remember to check the fuel filter's status to see if it's time to change it or not. The fuel filter can protect your engine from harmful particles in the fuel by catching the debris and trapping it in a canister. I know some filters may be designed to be hard to reach, so you may need mechanics' help to proceed the replacement. Also, the clean fuel and the clear air will help to better the fuel economy performance. Number 4, replace the VVT solenoid. As we just mentioned, the VVT gears have a close relation with the solenoids. So remember to have the mechanic to check the solenoids whenever you are having the regular maintenance. By the way, remember to check our before video if you are curious about the Ford F150 Camshaft symptoms. In this video, we talk about the common symptoms to tell you the VVT gears are failing. As we keep saying, the earlier you figure out the problem, the easier you can fix the problem. Alright my friend, I hope you enjoyed today's video. In the next week video, I'm going to tell you some tips to maintain the VVT solenoid, which is commonly affecting the VVT gears if it goes wrong. So, if you want to learn more about the car parts and maintenance tips, remember to subscribe, thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. We also welcome you to leave comments below to share with us about your experience of fixing the VVT gears for your vehicles. You know I am always so happy can hear from you. So, as always, my friends, I wish you all the best with your life, your family, and your business. And I will see you very soon next week. Adios!